حسب الحدود أي مطبات هوائية غير متوقعة.
Malamig, welcome to Yerevan. Caesar salad. Guys, dito na kami sa Sharjah Airport. Kalabas tayo ng immigration, kain na tayo. Nakita ko quarter pound cheese, double cheeseburger. Ito. Hello!
My face is Dorori.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy UAE National Day! Mabilis lang ang pangyayari. Hindi na kami nakapag-video kanina. And isasama namin kayo sa aming trip. And usually guys, itong country na to ay pinupuntahan ng mga OFW na nandito sa Middle East. So, ayan. See you on our next destination.
Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeat sinking
حسب الحدود أي مطبات هوائية غير متوقعة.
you and I forever
Ayun, nakita ko.
wild and free.
Hi guys, dito na kami sa Armenia guys. Welcome to Yerevan. And nakita na rin namin yung driver namin. So bibili lang muna kami ng SIM card. Guys, malamig. Welcome to Yerevan. Oh, ayan, nasundo na kami guys. Ayan na yung mga gamit namin. Guys, nandito na tayo sa town nila. I think malapit na kami sa hotel. So, ayan. Dito na kami sa hotel. Ngayon, ang agenda natin for tonight, dahil medyo late na, kalimutan ko guys magpapalit ng currency. So, hindi sila tumatanggap dito ng USD. So, dapat meron kang ready na Armenian dram. So, pupunta muna kami sa labas. Maghanap kami ng exchange. And then after nun, magdi-dinner tayo. So, samahan niyo kami sa labas. Actually, ang hinahabol natin dito is snow. Kaso, medyo napaaga yung punta natin kasi nga, sinakto natin na UAE holiday. We'll try to, explore in the evening. No? Yeah. Ang saya! So malamig! Naninigas na ako!
Kasi to.
Kuya, malamig! Okay, so paket tayo. Dadaanan natin yung shawarmahan. So titikman namin yung shawarma nila dito. Armenian shawarma. Kung mapapamahal kami, good luck na lang. So ayun, nakapag-order na kami and try na lang natin. So andito na yung food namin guys. Ayan, kakain na kami for our first dinner in Armenia. And kain tayo. First Armenian shawarma. Super big. Hello.
Eight of them.
8 of them. This is cool. Yup, we're here. Nice. I feel like it's 200,000 steps. We're here. 7 Monastery.
Oh, that was very interesting. The bird came in your photo and sat on the cross.
Oh, that's cool. Dito kami sa 7 Monastery. Umakyat kami ng 230 steps. Ito ay itinayo ng parang princess. Yan, ngayon papasok kami sa loob.
Do you know what's the name of the princess?
Yeah, yeah. Armenian church is called the Armenian Apostolic Church. It has also grapes and pomegranates. Again, very calming traditional art. You see a beautiful cross carving. This is a bit later, from 1600s, so 17th century or 1653. This was made for happy marriage of two people. The man who their names here. The master's name was Deftan, Harper, the wife Rebecca.
Oh,
Like
that's
Rebecca.
me.
Yeah, really? Rebecca.
So ayun, pababa na tayo ng 7 Monastery. Dahil wala ng snow, pero na-enjoy naman natin. Very ancient lang ang atake ng lugar na ito. Malamig siya guys. 2 degrees. Feels like 0 daw. Dito na kami sa Chagazor City Ski Resort and Cable Car. Natry namin yung cable car. Sobrang lamig, nasa taas kami ng bundok.
15 minutes up, 15 minutes down. You can easily spend half an hour up there, free time. Yeah, take photos of each other. I'm not coming because it's
Yeah,
cold.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
so
Okay, see
be
you
careful not to
later.
drop anything from the cable car.
Alright.
Right?
Grabe girl, pangarap lang natin to.
Kaya nga. This is the view. Everything that I have, praise the Lord.
Wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever.
So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And yes, this is the first day of our tour. So earlier, nakapag 7 Lake na tayo and 7 Monastery. And ngayon naman, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sagkatsur City. Look at the view. Nasa taas tayo ng bundok, guys. Sobrang lamig, nakakahingal, nakakapagod, pero ang ganda na experience. Samahan nyo kami hanggang matapos ang araw na to. nakita kaming kainan dito sa taas ng bundok.
Habang pababa kami, kakain kami ng taco.
So, hindi namin alam kung magkano guys, pero sige, susubukan natin. So, let's go. Hello. How much?
1,500 cup, 1,400.
Okay.
Cup?
Yeah, this one. Can I see this? Ah, okay. Ganito siya. Level pa. My girl. Kasi, guys, meron kaming baong itlog. Yung itlog ko, dalawa. Yung isa, pisa na. Hawak. Wala, may bahay ng ibon, oh. Ay, cute. Ako din eh. Ito mo. Very cold there. Very cold.
You look cold and slow.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you puff up your nose.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm not saying we won't fit
What?
in the small, but the story inside. So, this one is called the church. We're going to show you if you zoom in. It's a combination of churches or other buildings also. Hi.
Yeah. So this is the downtown of
This is the
Yerevan.
center there.
Sakit na pa ako, girl. Hirap ako maglakad, girl.
It's not very big, yeah. It's like
So ito guys, parang ano na nila, downtown nila. So dito na yung mga mararaming tao. Yung mga parang landmarks. Finally, dito kami kakain. May salad sila. They're with this family. Tapos na kaming mag-tour guys, nakabalik na kami dito sa downtown. May tinuro sa amin yung tour guide namin na magandang coffee shop and we decided na stay na lang muna dito. Hi guys, good evening. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Tavern Restaurant. So, ito yung ni-reserve sa amin ng tour guide namin. Actually, nakapag-order na rin kami. Hindi na kami nag-order ng heavy meal kasi busog pa naman din kami. And we will try their authentic Armenian wine. It's like first time. Yeah. I like it. This is their Armenian cuisine. Wala silang rice, guys. Medyo matabang sa panlasa. Masarap yung chicken nila. Kain tayo. Hap.
You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean, rippling with ease. Heartbeats sing.